This video is to show you how to put a shortcut on your desktop to whichever SharePoint file you want to go to. So, using again the Kaneohe Field Office example, let's say that is the shortcut I want. You can choose any of these, but I am just using this as an example. Right-click here, say Copy Link Address. Go ahead and minimize that, and then on your desktop, go New, Shortcut, paste that in, and then try putting a name that means something to you, like Kaneohe SharePoint. Finish. And now you have that shortcut on your desktop. If you double click it, you notice it opens up straight to that SharePoint site. All right, so there is the Kaneohe SharePoint site.